Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking at a trading chart for the first time, it can look pretty overwhelming, right? All these red and green bars moving around. But what if I told you those bars are actually telling a story? Today, we're demystifying one of the most powerful tools in trading, the candlestick. No, not the kind you light for dinner. This is a charting candlestick, and it's your window into understanding market behavior. Think of each candlestick as a neat little summary of a stock's price movement over a specific period, maybe a minute, an hour, or a whole day. Every single candlestick gives us 4 crucial pieces of information about price. Let's break it down. First, we have the real body. This is the thick part of the candle. It tells us where the price opened and where it closed for that specific time period. If the body is green, or sometimes white, it means the price closed higher than it opened. Buyers were in control. If the body is red, or sometimes black, it means the price closed lower than it opened. Sellers were in charge. Then we have the thin lines, often called shadows or wicks. The upper shadow shows us the highest price the stock reached during that period. And the lower shadow shows us the lowest price it hit. So, just one candle can tell you a lot about the battle between buyers and sellers. Now you know what a single candle means. But the real magic happens when you start looking at groups of candlesticks together. When they combine in certain ways, they form what we call candlestick patterns. These patterns can give us clues, not guarantees, but clues, about what the market might do next. They can suggest a trend might reverse, or that it might continue in the same direction. They are essentially the market's way of telling us a story about supply and demand. By learning to read these stories, you gain a significant advantage in understanding market psychology. This was just your very first step into the amazing world of candlestick patterns. There are dozens of patterns, each with its own unique story. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video where we'll dive into some of the most common and powerful candlestick patterns that you can start looking for right away. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.